Welcome to our channel, where we'll guide you through a calming meditation practice you can do from the comfort of your own home. Find a quiet and peaceful space in your house, free from distractions, and make sure you're sitting in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in, allowing your belly to expand, and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Allow your body to relax, starting from the top of your head, down to your toes, and feel any tightness melting away. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the sensation of each inhale and exhale, without trying to control it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath, without judgment or frustration. Take this time to cultivate a sense of gratitude, appreciating the present moment and all that is around you. You can silently repeat a calming word or phrase, such as peace or relax, to help quiet your mind. Scan your body for any areas of tension or discomfort, and as you exhale, imagine releasing that tension and letting it go. Visualize yourself in a serene and tranquil environment, such as a beach or a peaceful garden, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of that space. Stay in this state of calmness for a few more moments, allowing the relaxation to sink in deeper. When you're ready to end your meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings, gently opening your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel, acknowledging any positive changes in your mood or overall sense of well-being. Remember, you can always return to this practice whenever you need a moment of peace and tranquility in your day. Thank you for joining us on this calming meditation journey, and we hope you continue to find serenity in your home.